we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become?
Hey guys, hola chicos, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been to my channel already, welcome. My name is Bianca, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And today I'm going to show you how I got this festival hair and makeup. So if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills dual-ended brush. I'm going to use the fluffier side, and I'm going to grab the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm going to get the shades Eden and Amber, and I'm just going to mix them together. And I'm going to use that right as my transition shade, right in the crease and the outer corner. And for this eye look, I'm really trying to pack it on, so I'm putting quite a bit of color on. And I'm getting the by MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. I would usually do this before, but I totally forgot, so I'm doing it now. I'm putting that right in the brow bone and my inner corner, just to highlight a little bit. Later on you'll see me put a different color on. And now I'm going to grab the shade Saffron by that same palette, and I'm going to put that in my crease, just to add a little bit more red into it. And then I'm just going with that same brush on the other side, putting that in my lower lash line. With the same colors, starting off with the lighter ones and then going in with the darkest. And I'm just going in with the Visionary palette by Pure Cosmetics. I'm going in with the shade Rebel. It's like a really dark, like burgundy shade. And I'm using a BH Cosmetics, I believe it's a 6 brush. And I'm just putting that right in my crease and in my outer corner just to intensify the look a little bit more and to add more depth in there. And I'm just blending it out with that Anastasia brush. And I'm going back in with that Huda Beauty palette, and I'm grabbing the shade Oud. It's like the dark brown shade. And I'm just doing the same exact thing, just putting in the outer corner and then in the crease. And then I'm going to blend it out with that Anastasia brush afterwards. And now I'm grabbing my MAC Prep and Prime concealer. And I'm just doing a rough sketch. I'm not trying to do like a cut crease or anything. I'm just lightening it up so I can put a different color on there. And I'm just grabbing that Visionary palette again and using the shade Icon. I'm putting that shade all over my lid with a packing brush. And for my glitter, I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Primer right before I put the glitter all over my lid. And then I'm going to grab this glitter. I'm pretty sure it's not eye safe, so I wouldn't use it. I'm pretty sure it's for your nails. But I used it anyways, and I really liked how it turned out. It's like pink with like gold and yellow glitters in it. It's super pretty. It reflects really nice. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more color in the crease and in the outer corner. And I'm just going to grab that palette again and using the shade Dreamer right in my inner corner and a little bit on my brow bone. And I'm grabbing the RCMA No Color Powder with a Real Techniques brush, and I'm just dusting away all the glitter that fell out. I probably wouldn't have done my foundation first if I knew I was going to use glitter, but I never know what I'm going to do with my look, so. And I'm just going to grab the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and I'm going to do a super thin, small wing because I really want all the focus to be on the glitter and not so much on a big wing or anything, but I mean, you can do whatever you like. You can leave it with no eyeliner at all. I'm just going to add a little bit of darkness with the Oud shade and a little bit of black as well. I'm going to grab the Allure Luxe Silk Lashes. I thought they were absolutely stunning. I'm also putting some bottom mascara on. This is my favorite for bottom lashes. And going back in with the Huda Beauty palette, I'm using the shade Saffron, which is that red shade, and putting that right where I would put normally like a highlight because I want my highlight to be a very like reddish pink shade. And for my highlight, I'm going to use Fairly Precious Extreme Dimension Blush by MAC. This just adds a really pretty sheen pink color. to the highlight. And I'm also going to grab Show Gold by MAC. This one was gorgeous. This had so much reflection on it with like pink and gold. So pretty. And right on top I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera Illuminator just to add a little bit more. And also right on my nose and my Cupid's bow. And for glitter, you totally can stop here, but I'm using glitter as my highlight as well. I'm going to grab the All Glown Up Silver Holographic Glitter with some hair gel. And I'm putting that right where I put all the highlighters on, just a little bit more close together. And like I said, you don't need to put this glitter on with all the other highlighters. It looked awesome already, so that's totally your choice. And now I'm just twisting my hair and rolling it into a bun. And I totally left it like super messy because I feel like festival hair is never like really neat or anything. You kind of want it to be a little bit messy. I feel like it looks a lot better that way. And I'm just pulling some hairs out wherever I feel like I wanted to, and I'm also putting that glitter right where my hairline is. And I just used gel and glitter and that's it, and it stayed all day. I went out to a restaurant and it stayed and everything, even on my face. But I'm guessing if it was like super hot out and you were sweating all day, I'm guessing it would probably start falling off, but I'm not sure. It worked really well for me, so I guess you'll just have to try it out. Alright, so that concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I'll put all my social media links down below. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, chicos.